Pompliano warns Trump firing Fed chair would set dangerous precedent. Anthony Pompliano. Federal Reserve. Trump. Pompliano cautioned against politicizing the U.S. Central Bank. Last updated, April 19, 2025. Author. Ruholamin Haqshanas. Author. Ruholamin Haqshanas. About author. Ruholamin Haqshanas is a contributing crypto writer for Cryptonews. He is a crypto and finance journalist with over 4 years of experience. Ruholamin has been featured in several high-profile crypto. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. April 19, 2025 at 12:19 GMT +3. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Crypto investor and entrepreneur Anthony Pompliano has spoken out against former U.S. President Donald Trump's recent threat to fire Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, warning that such a move would undermine the institutional independence of the Fed and set a dangerous precedent. In a video posted to X on April 18, Pompliano cautioned against politicizing the U.S. Central Bank. "I do not believe that the President of the United States should come in and unilaterally fire the Fed president," he said. "The idea of firing the Fed chairman is a very bad precedent to set this way." Pompliano responds to Trump's criticism of Fed chair over rate cuts. Pompliano's comments followed a post from Trump on his platform Truth Social on April 17, where the former president criticized Powell for not cutting interest rates quickly enough. "Powell's termination cannot come fast enough," Trump wrote, sparking renewed concern over political interference in monetary policy. While acknowledging that the Fed is already viewed by many as politicized, Pompliano insisted that retaliating through executive overreach isn't the solution. "Even if someone is doing something wrong, it doesn't justify doing something wrong in return," he said. Despite being a vocal critic of the Fed himself, Pompliano emphasized the importance of preserving the institution's operational independence. Lower interest rates are generally viewed as beneficial for risk-on assets like Bitcoin, which often surge in more accommodative monetary environments. However, Pompliano stressed that market benefits should not come at the cost of institutional integrity. The crypto entrepreneur is not alone in voicing concern. Senator Elizabeth Warren also warned that removing Powell would damage investor confidence and could spark broader market instability. Speaking to CNBC, Warren said, "If Chairman Powell can be fired by the President of the United States, it will crash the markets." She added that U.S. economic strength depends on the perception of independence among key institutions like the Fed. "If interest rates in the United States are subject to a president who just wants to wave his magic wand, this doesn't distinguish us from any other two-bit dictatorship," Warren said. Trump renews pressure on Fed Chair Powell. Trump has consistently pressured Powell over rate policy since his time in office and has recently renewed calls for his removal. Florida Senator Rick Scott echoed these sentiments, writing in a Fox News op-ed that the Fed needs a leadership overhaul focused on fighting for the American people. The Fed last cut interest rates back in December 2024, with Powell repeatedly saying that he wants compelling evidence of cooling inflation before doing so again. By comparison, the European Central Bank has already slashed its main rate 3 times so far in 2025, which is the source of Trump's frustration. Despite all of this uncertainty, there are those who argue that a diminished dollar could be advantageous for Bitcoin in the medium to long term. Real Vision founder Ruholamin has long believed that a weaker greenback encourages investors to try and preserve wealth through alternatives like BTC. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. SEC drops lawsuit against Helium developer over unregistered securities claims. Cardano price analysis. What needs to happen for a 400% rally? WCT soars 100% after airdrop dump. Price gap widens ahead of Korean exchange listings. Price analysis. Cardano price analysis. Where's ADA headed next? 1 day ago. By Joel Frank. Price analysis. Can quantum computing really kill Bitcoin? $85,000 bounty says it's time to find out. 17 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Crypto regulation news. Fraud shocker, Zero Edge's Richard Kim arrested after allegedly blowing $7 million investor cash on gambling. 1 day ago. By Hassan Shitu. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025, top crypto to invest in. 4 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in April 2025. 1 day ago. By NSS, Tavares. 11 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now, upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Anatol Antonovasai. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. 13 next cryptocurrencies to explode in 2025. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.